So bad news, guys. Right now I'm at the middle of the road and my car broke down. No, it did not broke down, but it went overheat, and right now I'm looking at all this liquid. Yeah, the car broke down. It's funny because right when I was driving, and then I suddenly feel like the car is not working like how it's supposed to be, and then for a minute there start seeing smokes coming out of the hood, and I was like, oh, okay, yeah. So this happened. Just waiting for that thing to cool down. I haven't called anyone yet, but I'm waiting for that to cool down, and then after that I'm gonna get some water. I'm gonna see if that's the reason why it overheat. I'm gonna get some water and put it in there and hope it doesn't go overheat again. I don't know. So yeah, I don't know. It's weird. I think something leaked. It feels like something leaked. But yeah, because there was something like, I know not much about car, but I know when something's missing, it stopped working. So it's the coolant. So guys, sometimes shit happens, and yeah, and gotta call for help. Yeah. So because it seems like something burst in the coolant system, so I will have to not drive the car because it's burst and it has lost the ability to cool itself. So if I continue to drive this car, the car might be start heating, like fire comes out of the fucking, you know, the fucking hood. So yeah, I got Sunny here. Sunny just passed by, and I'm gonna change our car. I don't know. Hey guys.
But
The car broke down.
damn.
我等投影来，我等投影来。Okay. So something burst in the cooling system, this thing. So there's nothing that I can do, because just now when I was looking and it was something here, and then psst, I was like, what?
Your car vaping. Yeah, that's it. Car vaping.
Yeah, car vaping.
在等说，
我现在等投影来了，然后就可以走了。But 投影不知道要等多久。Hey Sunny. Yeah. Because this cannot drive anymore.
Where you send?
Back to my workshop.
是dia punya rumah. 你刚才开哈
Yeah. 没有开这个，没开这个。
没开这个，
我开了，它就是里面有东西爆掉，然后开始漏。
这样应该是 hose 爆掉。
不是啊，它是啊，有可能是 hose 爆掉。这边里面的 hose。
没有可能 hose。
没
有，不是 hose 爆掉的话，它不会喷这样多啊。
Yeah. 看到干掉去，这个也干掉了。
干掉应该是 hose 爆掉。So fast 吧？
啊？
Yeah. So fast.
What the press so
fast? You're late already.
Oh, maybe
Yeah, always speeding.
Yeah, always be late. Why last minute one? Oh. 哎，买它号码喂，今天开了咯。I know what happened. Paper water is not enough.
Jesus Christ! What time is it? Okay, Margherita delay. Belanja, okay? Belanja Margherita.
你知道吗？叫他给你唱。
哎，不错。看一下。It's that story. Super burst. Super bust. 这不是 burst， 你 typo 而已。这是什么 ？Bust.
Oh, burst 怎么 spell?
B-U-R-S-T. This is my day. Taking a look at the car. Yeah. Broke car! Finally, the tow truck is here. My dad. It's coming in so fast. So fast. So fast. So fast. Too damn fast. Oh my god. It's going over the speed limit. Oh my god, it's going over the speed limit. Oh my god. Well, that's my dad. Even though the car overheats, he still wants to drive it. He's like, fuck, this is my car. You don't get to touch my car, and then he's gonna drive it up there. Right. Damn, son. He's taking a picture of my car. It probably looked so good. Yeah. Yes. Yes, go car. Go car. Oh my god. Oh my god, go car. Go car. Ah, go car. Oh yeah. Nice. I love my car. Oh, it's going up. Bos, kamu ikut itu Pajero ya, Pajero yang putih. Bah, thank you. Done. Let's go have some food. I'm hungry.
You $1, pay $6.
Finally.
This okay. I play this one 2, 3, 6.
Learning gambling. No.
What?
Learning gambling.
It's
You
okay.
pay 1
We're
to
just
7.
learning. We're not
3
doing it.
number you need.
We're going here.
So what now?
Oh yes, up Margherita, let's go.
谁让你会这样？
Hmm?
那是在这想啊。
Yep.
你带你的 bag 啊？
Huh?
全包。这个是全有带。
Everything is here.
Okay, let's go, boys.
There's a risk,
Yeah, of course. Every
Every
gambling is a risk.
but if you gamble, the house always wins. Unless you gamble and
Because
you win,
we cannot win against the house.
yeah, the house always wins.
Ito na yan.
Oh, that's my car.
Noob ka.
Yeah. My dad said the thing is old. That's why it broke down.
The radiator car.
Yeah. Radiator.
Radiator? Radiator is the electric one, no?
No, the radiator, the cool,
The whole
is the
tanky.
cooling.
The whole tanky. Yeah.
Radiator is the cooling system.
He said Nasib it broke down. He said he wanted to take the car to KB. I was like, okay, so okay.
You're the test subject.
Yes.
You have your dad.
Margherita. What?
It's the same.
Is there any difference? Is Isaac? Oh, there's Isaac. Hi, Isaac. Hi, Isaac. Finally, I'm here.
第一次咩？
Yes.
他给你的第一次。
I want one slice. What? One slice.
I want the, you know, the one got the fish. Yes, smoked salmon.
这个
You want this one?
Yeah.
This one is this. Oh.
Is this good?
It's not a best sellers.
Oh.
Are you pressure?
Can I have the chicken wings? The spicy one.
How many inch you guys want?
How many inch you have? How many?
I want the biggest one, but it's like too much.
That's 15. That's thick.
Oh shit. I think 15 enough already. Let's have 15.
Just one.
Yes. You guys want drinks?
Yes.
The drink's free refills, right? Oh, drink is free refill?
Oh, what the fuck? Really?
I want mellow.
I want everything in one cup.
You said, oh, what the fuck? I'm like, those tremendous ones. But
You see here.
yeah, but some not. This one's not. Oh.
Oh.
Soft drink. Ice lemon tea.
我要那个，我要 ice lemon tea。
那个是什么来的 ？Minute Maid Orange. Is it Minute Maid refreshed up orange juice? Free refill? Yeah, I want that shit.
You want that shit?
还有吗？
还有吗？
还有吗
I think that's it though.
Yeah, the wings 那个有弄多。
So how was last night?
It was fun. It was fun because it's without you.
Damn. That's it?
Yeah, that's all.
You guys went to Limbang, right?
No. They go to KL. Kalau ulang.
Did you guys just stay at the passport there, or you guys go inside the city? So how was it?
You fucking bullshit. No,
What the fuck?
I'm not gonna answer you any of it.
Why?
我们当时 stay 在那个摩德那边啦。
哦，阿伯的那边有像跑这样子啊？
你不是跟过我们去过吗？
没有去过啦，丢。
你呀，你还在那边呢，你 Henry 共去啊。
那个时候我们在外面吃那个吗？但是外面里面哈，KTV 里面是 KTV 啊。
And they was at TK.
OK，没事，你上次我们坐这边，
啊哈。
里面有一间，就是 literally 在你走两步，
你走两步就到了 karaoke bar。
哦，你们在那个卡拉 OK 吧里面。
Yeah, we went to karaoke bar.
It's same.
Karaoke bar is like this. It's like this. We all drink. Everyone's like drinking. Then you order song. Then there's a big screen, big ass screen. Then when it's your turn to sing, they will give you the mic and then the song will be play already.
Oh.
Then just sing in the public.
You sing in the public. That sounds fun. That's the pizza that I'm talking about. Oh yeah. What?
他拍 discount。
Damn.
我们两个是同一个东西啊。
Thanks, Sappy. Thank you. Coca-Cola. Yeah, good. Thank you. What the fuck?
巴黎。
Dạ rồi. Bye bye.
It's because it's us. We cool like that.
Drinks. Free refill drinks tapao. Oh yeah.